Hello, today we are going to study about the basic concepts used in Python. These will be functions, parameters, user input, loops, nested loops, f-strings, format specifiers, string multiplication, main block, and we will study them making a simple multiplication program in Python. So we will start by function, defining a function. It's used by def, then the name of the function. Then we are going to define our parameters inside. So I will name my parameter n. Its type will be integer, and the next parameter would be out, and its type would be again integer, and that's the Python syntax. Then we are going to print, use the f strings. We are going to multiply n with the limit out. So at the end we are going to define to our user that he is going to give us the value of n, which would be the number we will multiply, with the out, which would be the limit up to the number we are going to multiply. Then we will use a simple for loop for I in range n. It's going to be the outer loop, and its range is going to be n, whatever the number n is going to be. Again, Python syntax, then it's going to be print f string. Here we are going to use a format specifier. So this is the format specifier which we will use to specify the value of I, so that we can get the input value of I in the middle. And please remember, this will not work like this. We have to put this value inside the curly bracket. Then we are again going to use print f string, and now we want below a separator, and here we will use the string multiplication. Simply it's going to multiply, we are going to multiply the separator slash multiply by 5 plus 4 multiply by n, whatever the value of n would be. Then again we are going to use another loop inside the loop 4. Please guys, please remember the Python syntax for j in range 1 out plus 1. So it's going to add one digit, whatever the value of out would be, from 1 to the value of out, and it's the inner loop that we are going to use. So then we are again going to use f strings, print f. We are, so simply we will make it like I multiply by j equal to I multiply by j, that's it. Now we are going to use our main block. It's going to be if name equal to main so this function main, or this, if this line is going to run our function, and before that we have to define our parameters. Let's name them num1 1 equal to int input give the value of n, and second will be num2 equal to int input input give the limit of grid, and here our function is ready, so we're just going to run it. Value of n, please don't make a mistake like this here I have made. Make it somewhat dynamic and add the spaces here. Control C, and the function will end here. Clear. Then we will run 9 into 9 and we will get the whole table. The reason we didn't get the whole table, we add the number, but we did not define we did not give the parameter. So here we are going to give the parameter multi grid, and it's going to be num1